Hey guys, it's your girl Koya Renee and I'm back with another video. Today I decided to do this burgundy-ish look for you all, and I think it's real cute, you know, real kind of fallish, even though it ain't fall, but you know, we're gonna get into it anyways. And if you all are interested in seeing how I got this look, then stay tuned, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to cut on the notification bell so you won't miss any other videos that I upload. Anyways, y'all, let's get into this look. Alright guys, so I'm going to use my Maybelline concealer, and I'm going to use that to prime my lids, and I'm just going to put it all over my eyelids. Once I'm done with that, I'm just going to buff that concealer in with a blending brush. So to set my concealer, what I'm going to do is take my Sacha Buttercup and I'm just going to buff that in onto the concealer. Then I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, and I'm going to take that yellow shade and I'm going to use it as a transition color. So for my second transitioning color, I'm going to go in with Kylie's Peachy palette, and I'm going to take that peach shade and use it as my second transitioning color. Now I'm going back in with that Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to take that burgundy shade and use it as my third transitioning color, and I'm going to put it right underneath that peachy shade. As the last transitioning shade, I didn't want to use it at first, but I said I just wanted to deepen that crease up, so I decided to go in with a dark brown shade to go over that burgundy. So now I'm going to start to cut my crease with the same concealer that I used to put all over my eyelids. So these next shadows are going to be from the OPV palette, and I'm going to go in with this white shimmer shade as my first color for my inner eye area. Then I'm going to take this light purple pinkish shade. It's also a shimmer eyeshadow, and I'm just going to use that as a second eyeshadow to put it on my lids. Then I'm going to take this deep burgundy shade and I'm going to use that to blend in with the other shadows. Now I'm going to take some eyeliner from NYC and I'm just going to line my lids. So now that we're all done with our eyeshadow, let's get into this foundation. I'm going to use my foundation from Maybelline. I'm just going to put it all over my face. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline concealer in the shade Cafe. I'm going to put it underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and in the center of my forehead. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take my beauty blender from Real Techniques and I'm just going to blend that concealer in. Next, I'm going to set all the areas that I highlighted with the banana powder and the topaz powder. So after that, I'm just going to take some black eyeshadow and line my waterline. And then I'm going to take that same burgundy shade that I used for the outer corners of my eyes. And I'm going to put it underneath that black shadow. Then I'm going to take some MAC setting powder and just set all over my face. To set my face, I'm going to use MAC's Fix Plus spray. And then I'm going to use some golden highlighter to highlight these cheeks. So now I'm going to take ColourPop's matte lipstick and I'm going to put it all over my lips, and it's in the shade Tulle. So I just want to take a moment of silence for this highlighter, y'all. I'm talking about it's popping, y'all. Like, this is the finished look. If you all like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Bye.